Looking for the best sewing machines to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get started. Number 5. Brother CS7000X70 Stitch Computerized Sewing Machine. If you want a computerized sewing machine without all the extra features of our top pick, the Brother CS7000X is a great option, especially for beginners. One of its standout features is the adjustable speed control slider, which allows you to set a maximum sewing speed. This feature isn't available on mechanical machines, like our best pick for beginners, and it's perfect for new sewists who need to focus on stitching straight lines. The included quick start guide and user manual are very helpful for getting set up, threading the machine, understanding stitch options, and using the different presser feet. The CS7000X also comes with a walking foot, which is great for working with thick fabrics or quilting, even if you don't need it right away. One downside we found in testing is the dim built-in lighting. It doesn't light up the flatbed well, which can be hard on your eyes, especially during long sessions. We recommend using a bright gooseneck desk lamp to shine light exactly where you need it. The Brother CS7000X has earned a solid 4.6 out of 5 stars from users and is priced around $240. To get the best deal, click the link in the first pinned comment. Next up is the fourth pick on our list. Number 4. Brother 1034D Serger. Unlike traditional sewing machines, sergers aren't made for straight stitching or binding fabric layers. Instead, they specialize in finishing raw edges, especially on fabrics that tend to fray easily, like cotton. We had our in-house expert put this machine through a series of tests, and she found the Brother 1034D to be impressively effective. While sergers can often feel intimidating, this model makes setup much easier. It comes pre-threaded with 4 color-coded spools, which simplifies the threading process and helps keep stitch tension in check. The included instruction manual features clear images and step-by-step directions, making it easy to follow the correct threading paths. One feature we really appreciate is the differential fabric feed, which helps maintain even stitching regardless of the fabric type. Along with the standard overlock foot, the Brother 1034D also includes a blind stitch foot and a gathering foot, perfect for adding hidden hems or gathered details to your projects as your skills progress. While you do need to completely rethread the machine to return to the standard overlock stitch, the process is surprisingly manageable thanks to the detailed guide. Though sergers are often considered tools for more advanced sewists, our expert believes this model is well suited for anyone from novice to intermediate level. The Brother 1034D serger holds a strong 4.6 out of 5 star rating from customers and is priced at approximately $280. You can take advantage of the lowest price through the link in the first comment. Third on our list is the Number 3. Singer Quantum Stylus Sewing Machine. I've personally been using this machine at home for over a year, and it's a fantastic choice for advanced sewists looking to expand their skills in garment making and quilting. It also stood out during our lab testing. So much so that we found ourselves repeatedly saying, "Oh my gosh," thanks to the sheer number of advanced features packed into its interface. What really sets the Quantum Stylus apart are the convenient, time-saving tools built right in. The automatic thread cutter, stitch tacking button, and sliding speed control make transitioning between sewing steps smooth and efficient. Perfect for complex projects. One feature I particularly love is that all of the machine functions are operated with buttons instead of dials. On computerized machines, it's easy to accidentally bump a dial and change your stitch settings. The button interface avoids that frustration while giving you quick access to your most used options like left and center position straight stitches and the standard zigzag. Another highlight is the ability to enlarge decorative stitches, making it easier to embellish large quilt blocks or fabric panels with precision and flair. While several machines on our list include an extension table, it's especially valuable here. Given the size and weight of the Quantum Stylus, you'll likely keep it set up in one place, and the extra table space gives you plenty of room to work on larger projects comfortably. The Singer Quantum Stylus has earned a solid 4.4 out of 5 star rating from users and is priced at around $520. If you're interested in this model, click the link in the comment to get it. Second on our list is the Number 2. Brother ST371HD Sewing Machine. While heavy-duty models from brands like Singer and Juki have recently gained popularity for their sturdy, no-nonsense designs, this brother machine easily earns its place among them. Weighing in at 18 pounds, it's definitely on the heavier side, but I'd still confidently recommend it to my sewing students looking for a reliable machine for home projects. One standout feature is the stitch selector knob, which is thoughtfully placed below the needle handwheel. This design reduces the chance of accidentally changing stitches, a common issue with front-facing knobs or digital buttons. That said, since the selector and handwheel are close together and similar in size, it's worth taking a moment to double-check you're turning the right one. Though the machine offers 37 built-in stitches, the variety is well curated for both beginners and intermediate sewists. The stretch stitches are especially useful for working with knits and spandex, and the inclusion of an automatic buttonhole presser foot is a welcome upgrade from the traditional 4-step buttonhole found on most mechanical models. During testing, we were impressed with how easily this machine handled both thick denim and lightweight cotton, showing great versatility across different fabric types. Its straightforward, beginner-friendly design makes it a solid first machine and one that remains useful even as your sewing skills grow or you upgrade to a more advanced computerized model. The Brother ST371HD boasts a strong 4.5 out of 5-star rating from consumers and is priced at around $195. If you like this model, take advantage of the special offer available in the comment link. First on our list is the Number 1. Brother XR9550 Sewing and Quilting Machine. And for good reason, even after testing several other machines, the XR9550 continues to stand out as our top pick thanks to its intuitive computerized design and excellent value. With 165 built-in stitches, 8 presser feet, and an extension table, it's fully equipped to handle a wide range of sewing and quilting projects. The simple button interface makes it easy to switch stitches, reverse stitch, and adjust stitch width or needle position, all without the learning curve of more complex machines. One of my favorite features is the drop and bobbin system, which sits near the needle plate and includes a thread cutter, perfect for beginners who want a hassle-free setup. Of the 165 stitches, 110 are functional and decorative, while the remaining 55 are alphanumeric, allowing for basic monogramming, though it only includes one font. Navigating through stitches on the digital screen is smooth, and the machine even recommends the appropriate presser foot for each stitch. The Brother XR9550 performs well across different fabric types, from lightweight cotton to denser materials like denim. It weighs just over 10 pounds, making it one of the most portable machines in our roundup. With its built-in handle and hardcover case, it's a great option for sewists who need to travel to classes or move between workspaces. One quirk to note: both the functional and stretch stitch options begin at 00 instead of 01, which may be slightly confusing if you're used to machines that start at stitch 1. Also, while we didn't encounter any major issues during testing, we do wish it came with a walking foot, which can be especially helpful when working with slippery or thick fabrics like silk or felt. Still, for its price, features, and ease of use, the Brother XR9550 is the best all-around machine we tested. It holds a solid 4.66 out of 5-star rating from users and is priced at approximately $230. By purchasing through the link in the first comment, you'll find the safest option on the internet. If we helped you choose your ideal sewing machine, subscribe to our channel and leave a like on this video. I'll wrap it up here. See you next time.